Hi, I'm Jax.
And I'm Sassy Jax.
And today we're going to walk you through how to create a handmade greeting card.
About coffee.
Yep, about coffee. Today we are going to use Simon Says Stamp Sketch Heart. Got them already die cut out. And we're going to use this little coffee cup die thing by Simon Says Stamp called Coffee Love SSSD 111701. I die cut a crap ton of pieces. They're right over here. When I die cut the pieces, I specifically put them in a certain order or on the cardstock I was die cutting from. And I have 3 card bases here that I have cut from 8.5 by 11 cardstock at the 5.5, scored at the 4 1/4 right here, and I'm going to fold them in half and then use my Fisker's bone folder to crisp that fold to make sure that it's got a really nice folded edge.
You're so good at that.
Thanks, Sassy. I have 3 card bases, 3 pieces of paper I want to use, crap ton of die cuts. So the first thing I think I want to do is I want to put this on the card bases. I don't know how other people do it with the double stick tape. I'm not even sure where the pieces are for this. I'm just putting glue down and hopefully it works. Now the question is, do I fill in the heart or do I leave it white? Here's the heart filled in. Kind of like it not filled in, and maybe put something in the middle there. I don't know.
Ooh, it's so cute.
I'm going to use a pick-me-up here and place the little, oh, it's so cute. All right, now we need a baby heart. And then we'll use black hands. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? I love it. However, I'm not sure if I like this white anymore with that being white. It almost needs like this to be colored of some sort. And now that's already in there, I don't know if I can color it. I'm gonna set that aside for now and we'll start a new one. Oh, so cute. I'm gonna do blue eyes.
He's your blue-eyed babe.
This one's gonna be my favorite one because I like the white, pink, and black.
Can you imagine if she had pink eyes? She'd have pink eye. That'd be gross.
I'm just gonna do all black and white, but not the heart. I'm gonna use this heart. There we go. And I'm not touching this one. I think I'm just gonna leave it the way it is, just like this. I think it's cute and it should just stay that way. And these have to go away for another day because I'm sure I'll use them on another project somewhere down the line. Now I have to figure out, do I want something on the cards that say something or do I leave them this way? I do have hello and celebrate, but I think the only thing that I really could use is this hello. Let's see what it would look like. Oh, that's cute. Okay, maybe I do need to put a hello on here because wouldn't that be cute? But what color do I make it? Ooh, I bet a nice bright yellow would work nice. I do have some yellow. I think I'm gonna do this bright one because I want it to pop. If you're gonna have cardstock, colored cardstock, it should be solid core. Otherwise you get this white and I hate that. So I have that one solid core, but this isn't. So like now I have pink paper that has a white edge on it. So if you cut it, it looks white on the edges.
What good is that?
I don't even know if this is gonna work because this paper is so thin. 1, 2, 3. I'm mad that I didn't get thicker paper. I mean, it'll work, but now I have to double them up. Another one, and the last one, at least the last one I'm gonna do. So this is what I was doing. I'm trying to get all this stuff to poke out, and it's not coming out of the die very nice. So I have to poke it in these holes. But because the paper is so thin, it's hard to pull it out without almost ripping it, which is why I'm disappointed about the thickness of the paper, because now I have to double these up for them to work on a card. Okay, so I have all these hellos, and now it's time to put them all together. You're like, why are you putting it on the front side?
Why are you putting it on the front side?
Because I'm going to put one on top of each other to make them more substantial when I put them on the card. Just like this.
That just seems really tedious and over the top.
It is a little bit, but I don't like it to be super flimsy on the card. Some people go as far as putting 3 on top of each other.
Well, that's just crazy. I should be thankful you're only doing it twice.
Yes.
You shouldn't do this at all.
No, if I would have bought the right paper, I wouldn't have had to do this.
Well, no wonder it was so cheap.
Exactly. So it's a little bit more easy to handle now that it's backed up by 2. So now when it's on the card and as it's being handled, it's not going to rip. Hello! Look at that, how cute! All right, I like the cards again. At first I was like, no, I hate them, but now with the hello on there, it's so bright and it's so like poof in your face that I don't care that the coffees are ugly.
I'm telling them that you said that about them.
Go ahead, Sassy, I don't care. All right, this is the last one. This is the Hello Message Fancy Die by Hero Arts. I had a really good time creating these. I think they turned out. I really love that I added the hello to it. I did not anticipate doing that, but the yellow really pulls all the cards together and I'm happy I did it. Hopefully you enjoy them too. Thanks for tagging along. Until next time, love you guts. Bye! Thanks for joining me today. If you want to see what else I create on this channel,
Like acrylic paintings, greeting cards, stamping, die cutting, and recycled art, furniture, all kinds of things.
consider subscribing because I'd love to have you as a viewer. Until next time, love you guts. Bye!